I want to show you how to link a word in Lauren's guest book called a hyperlink to a YouTube video. It's usually a good idea to have both a YouTube link open or tab and the Caring Bridge tab open, which we have right here. So when you say sign my guest book, you really go into a word processor. This is a word processor. And if we move down just a little bit, where you put in all the text that you want, just pay attention to one area right here, this area, and you'll see it says insert or edit a link. This will change when you type in a word, W-O-R-D, smart, and then we will highlight it. Whoops. As soon as we do that, you see this opens. So when that becomes or exposed, then we can click on it and it will open, and this is where we paste our link. Okay, I did a right click on the link to the URL. In fact, it's called linking to the URL on YouTube. Then you can just say, well, play that in the same window, and we'll call it Glee, because whatever you might want to do, and you say insert it. As soon as you do that, you see it becomes highlighted. Now, when Lauren is reading this, or anybody, if you click on that highlighted word, it will then link to YouTube and play whatever you had there. Unfortunately, there should have been a better way that we could get back to the guest book, but normally you hit this part and come back to the guest book. So what if we just go through that a little bit? Let's open YouTube. Lauren generally likes Glee. You'll notice over here that there is a URL associated with Sweet Caroline. If we right-click on that, right-click, we will have the ability to paste that to the clipboard. Okay, once we do that, come back over here to Caring Bridge, and now we're going to say, well, let's leave it Word. I believe I had that there already. It is Glee. So let's say that is the thing that we want. It's going to get a little awkward if I post this, because Lauren will look at it and let's call it, see if I can take this out of here and call it Glee. Okay, even though I've taken it out, still this link, it should be the same. So we will paste to it just to make sure. YouTube, we want it to play in the same window, so we'll say the same window and we'll call it Glee. Okay, and insert it. Okay, now whenever you see highlighted words in any Word document like this, that means when you click on it, it will go to another site called a hyperlink site, and it will play whatever you have, whatever URL you have picked out. Okay, you'll still have to go down and fill in the rest of your information, but when you save that, there will be something posted, and poor Lauren will wonder what's going on. Okay, if I click on that, left click on it, it will play. Okay.